Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Cook with Mollen. In case you are new here, my content is all about cooking and lifestyle, and kindly don't forget to hit that notification button and join my team. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you for always coming back. So guys, in today's video I'm going to make pizza from scratch. So if you are a pizza lover, this video is definitely for you. So guys, if you want to know how to make pizza, kindly watch this video until the end. I know you're gonna love it. So guys, without further ado, allow me to get started. So I'll start by activating the yeast first. So in my clean bowl I'm going to add warm water. Then next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'll give it a stir, then I'm going to cover it and let it settle for 15 minutes. So guys, after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, the yeast have already activated. So let's start making our dough. So I'll start by adding salt, just a little bit of salt, then cooking oil, a little bit of cooking oil, next I will add the all-purpose flour little by little as I need. So I'm going to transfer it here so that I can knead it very well. I'm going to grease my bowl with some oil. Then I'm going to put my dough there. I have applied some oil on the dough to prevent it from being hard. So next I'm going to cover it and set it aside for 1 hour. Meanwhile, as we wait for the pizza dough to prove, let's make the pizza sauce. So to make your pizza sauce, you'll need tomato, fresh tomatoes. Here I have some chopped onions and garlic. I have tomato paste. I have mixed herbs. I have sugar. Then I have cooking oil. So guys, I'm going to blend the tomatoes together with the onions and the garlic. The tomatoes are already blended. I've already blended them. So let's start by making the sauce now. In a pan, I'm going to add cooking oil. So after the oil is hot, I'm going to add the blended tomatoes. Give it a stir. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Then tomato paste. For the seasoning, I'm going to add mixed herbs and black pepper. If you want your sauce more spicy, you can add chili powder or chili flakes. I'm going to add sugar. That is 1 teaspoon of sugar. The reason why I'm adding sugar is to neutralize the acidity that is in the tomatoes. So I'm going to leave it to thicken a little bit because I want my sauce to be thick. So my pizza sauce is ready. I'm just going to set it aside for it to cool down as I prepare the toppings. This is what I'm going to use for my pizza toppings. I'm going to use onions, green bell pepper or hoho. I'm just going to use kidogo, spendi kiwa mingi. Then here I have cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. Then for the meat, I'm going to use Nyama bite. So let's chop the Nyama bite. Cut the Nyama bite into slices. So guys, everything is ready. The sauce is ready and the rest of the ingredients are ready. The cheese, the meat, onions and the green bell pepper. So let's check on our dough. We see how it has proven. So guys, as you can see, the dough has doubled in size. imefura, so let's give it a punch to remove the air bubbles. I'm going to transfer it here. I don't have a pizza sheet. I'm going to use what is available. Also, this can do. I'm going to poke it with a fork to remove the air bubbles. I'm going to apply oil kidogo. Start putting the toppings. I'll start with the sauce. So that is it, guys. Now I'm going to bake it. My oven is already preheated, so I'm going to bake my pizza at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. 40 minutes are over and my pizza is ready. The aroma, hata najua majirani wanashanga nini na hiyo napika. Kuna nukia, yani kuna nukia vizuri. Harufu ya kuvuta mpita njia. So guys, my pizza is ready and I love the outcome. And the aroma, wow, my house is really smelling nice. So let's cut it and have a taste. Guys, I don't have that thing, ile kitu ya kukata pizza, so I'm just using this one. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you love the video, kindly don't leave without subscribing. Leave a comment down there and give it a thumbs up. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Acha tu enjoy pizza yangu in peace. See you in the next one. Bye.